going on? I have to make a tape here. Storm of the century, they're saying here. I'm here, walking here in the middle of the road in Windsor, Ontario, Canada, everybody. Oh, it's so bad. I'm walking in snowstorm here. What's going on? Habibi. I have to shut this light somehow. This is my backyard. I'm walking here. Wow, it's so bad out here. Wow, look at the road is so terrible here. Out here. I walk in a winter storm. So what's up? What's up, everybody? It's so bad out here. Wow, about time we have a winter storm here for a while. We'll have a mild winter, they're saying. So, what's going on? What's going on? The road is bad. It's a terrible road now. Wow. Wow, wow. Walking here, so for the park. So walking through here. Put on YouTube, everybody. Oh, it's cold out here. Holy, I have to go in my house somehow. Oh man, it's cold. This is not a joke. So this guy's walking here. Yeah, it's just joke. Oh, the road is so bad. Woo. That's a blizzard, alright. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. I'm walking down here. A blizzard. We have it. We're in the blizzard here. I'm walking down here like on the Cumston Road beside in Windsor, Burger King here around Windsor area. Yeah, it's freezing alright. I'm taking the cars in the storms, winter storm. So, down here in the Windsor area, in the Windsor, Ontario, Canada, it's our school, the Kennedy School here. Wow. I'm sorry about the camera here. The snow is all over the place. So, yeah, I have to go in. So, it's cold. Wow, I need to go in here someplace to warm up. No, it's cold. Oh my god. Yeah, I need to go in my house. It's too freezing out here. This winter storm is so bad. Oh, the wind's picking up. And I don't like that. This is my first time in a winter storm like this for a while. Okay, this guy is walking here, so yeah, time to go in. Enough is enough. So I don't know. I'm so crazy out here. I'm a crazy guy. I'm just joking. So It's cold. Oh my god. It's so bad here in Windsor, Canada already. A lot of people not shoveling the snow around here. See? I don't know why. I just shovel my snow. It's like the bylaw here in Windsor, they're saying is you need to shovel snow after snowfall 12 hours later. So if somebody found my property, they'll sue me, and I don't want that. So I think the wind is calmed. So I'm walking through here. So oh, I just gotta stop it. So anyway, I gotta go in. Hey, thank you everybody. That's for me. You honking? Okay, I just show these people. Okay, that's my end of my tape. The winter 2016 blizzard. So that's the end. I go in. Okay, see ya. Bye. Be safe, Windsorites. Bye bye.